tomatoes. Let's take my cooked garden to 4 tomatoes. Here's my garden. Lot of tomatoes in my garden. I don't have to go to the grocery store. Fun sweets. 2 onions in the basket. Baby there. Haddock away. Dinner for my mommy and daddy. Today I'm making fish and vegetables. Ingredients. 7 to 425. Let's make the sauce. Olive oil in. 2 lemon juice. And the garlic. Then 2 lemon zest. Pepper. Oregano. Mix them together. Fresh coriander. Korean. Green beans. Whoa! That's a lot of them. Dough. Mix. Onion. Put all the vegetables in the pan. Put the fish in the sauce. Dump the fish in the pan. With a little salt. This is already in the oven. Another 3 minutes to make the tomatoes pop. Ta-da, it's done. Delicious. You delicious tomato. If you like this dish, get a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Watching.